Welcome back to the TheAutoReport channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history, now completely reimagined for a new era. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. This is the return of a legend, a car that's captured the imagination of generations, brought into the modern age with electrifying new energy. The 2025 Beetle arrives with a striking new look that perfectly blends retro appeal with cutting-edge design, making it impossible to ignore for anyone with a passion for cars or a sense of nostalgia. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this latest Beetle so special, starting with its exterior design before we head inside, then under the hood, and finally explore pricing and availability. The first thing that captures your attention is the front end of the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Volkswagen's designers have managed to create a face that pays homage to the original Beetle, but updates it for a new era. The hood flows smoothly into the signature rounded fenders, but there's a clear emphasis on aerodynamics and precision. A single, ultra-slim LED light bar stretches the full width of the car, seamlessly connecting the sleek new headlamps. The Volkswagen badge sits proudly at the center, framed by these lighting elements, which glow with a distinctive signature both day and night. The headlights are thinner, more aggressive, but still echo the circular motif of Beetle's past, with modern DRL accents tracing the outlines. Below, the gloss black front bumper features aerodynamic shapes and sporty intakes that not only look dynamic, but also serve to channel air efficiently. The result is a front end that looks bold, futuristic, and immediately recognizable as part of the Beetle family. Shifting to the side profile, the legendary arching roofline is unmistakably Beetle, but it's been tightened and sharpened with new character lines and deeper sculpting along the doors. Flush-mounted door handles enhance the smooth look and improve aerodynamics, while the bold wheel arches make room for striking two-tone alloy wheels finished in black with red accents, perfectly matching the vibrant body color. These wheels give the car an aggressive, almost concept-like presence, hinting that this is no ordinary compact coupe. The mirrors are aerodynamically sculpted and painted to match, while a gentle crease runs from the front fender to the rear, giving a sense of movement and athleticism even at a standstill. There's a coupe-like stance, thanks to the raked windshield and rearward set roof arch, tying together the themes of heritage and innovation. Moving to the rear, Volkswagen once again balances retro and modern cues in a way that feels both fresh and familiar. The most prominent feature is the LED light bar running the full width, linking the taillights and visually echoing the front design. The Beetle lettering is positioned boldly below the VW badge, making a statement about this car's proud lineage. The integrated spoiler atop the rear deck lid adds a sporty touch, while also helping to manage airflow and stability at speed. The lower rear bumper is finished in gloss black with sharp sculpting, and the diffuser-like elements suggest performance intent. The classic Beetle rear window shape is preserved, but the entire back end looks wider, lower, and more muscular, giving the car a planted and powerful stance. Open the door and step inside, and the 2025 Beetle welcomes you to a world that blends minimalist luxury with high-tech innovation. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sweeping digital display, stretching nearly the entire width of the dashboard and seamlessly combining the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and climate controls into one expansive, high-resolution interface. This screen is crystal clear and highly responsive, offering customizable layouts so drivers can prioritize what's most important, whether it's navigation, media, or detailed vehicle stats. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and wrapped in premium leather, with integrated touch-sensitive controls that allow the driver to manage media, calls, and driving aids without ever taking their hands off the wheel. The upholstery throughout the cabin features a two-tone color scheme with tan and black accents and intricate stitching patterns that create a refined, welcoming atmosphere. The seats are ergonomically contoured for support and comfort on longer journeys, and rear passengers benefit from surprising headroom thanks to the signature Beetle roof arch. Ambient LED lighting runs along the dash and door panels, customizable to suit any mood or occasion, and the soft touch materials used throughout the cabin make every surface feel luxurious. Technology is everywhere in the new Beetle. The infotainment system supports the latest in connectivity, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, and advanced voice controls. Navigation is clear and easy to follow, with real-time traffic and EV charging station integration. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and configurable, providing everything from classic speed and range information to turn-by-turn navigation, music, and even energy flow diagrams. Driver assistance features are plentiful, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, all contributing to a safer and more relaxing drive. Now, let's talk about what powers this modern classic. While Volkswagen has yet to officially unveil every detail of the powertrain, the clues are all here. The 2025 Beetle is built on the company's state-of-the-art EWAM-EB electric vehicle platform, meaning it's fully electric. Expect a rear-mounted electric motor delivering between 200 and 250 horsepower, translating to brisk acceleration and a quiet, refined driving experience that perfectly suits both city traffic and open roads. Battery capacity is expected to be in the range of 55 to 77 kilowatt-hours, allowing for an estimated range of 300 to 350 miles per charge, depending on the exact configuration. Fast charging is standard, so you can add significant range in as little as 30 minutes at a compatible DC charger. And level 2 charging means overnight top-ups at home are quick and easy. Regenerative braking maximizes efficiency, converting kinetic energy back into stored power every time you slow down. On the road, the new Beetle promises agile, responsive handling, thanks to its low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis. The steering is precise, the ride is quiet thanks to EV refinement and excellent insulation, and multiple drive modes allow you to tailor the car's character to your preferences, from relaxed and efficient to sporty and fun. The adaptive suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease, making this Beetle just as enjoyable on a winding back road as it is in urban environments. When it comes to pricing, Volkswagen is targeting a broad audience with the 2025 Beetle's return. Expect the base model to start around $32,000 to $35,000, with well-equipped higher trims and larger battery options reaching up to $45,000. Optional packages will offer everything from premium audio systems and panoramic sunroofs to upgraded interior materials and advanced driver assistance features. Volkswagen plans to unveil the production-ready Beetle at major auto shows before the end of 2024, with the first customer deliveries anticipated in early 2025 for key global markets, including North America, Europe, and select parts of Asia. Reservations are expected to open shortly after the vehicle's debut, and given the car's iconic status and modern appeal, demand will likely be high. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car. It's a statement. It honors its legendary roots while embracing the future with bold design, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainable driving. Whether you're a longtime Beetle enthusiast or new to the brand, this model is ready to win hearts all over again. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does this Beetle live up to its legacy? Or does it set a new standard for compact EVs? If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so you never miss the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next review.